This is the Lone Trader YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to trade stocks Fidelity step by step. Log into your Fidelity account, fund your brokerage balance, and enable two-factor authentication before placing orders. Use market or limit orders depending on urgency, set stop losses to manage risk, and review commissions and fees. Scan watch lists, research ticker fundamentals, check intraday charts, and keep a trading journal to refine your strategy consistently over time. When placing orders, review order type, size, and timing in a calm routine that reduces mistakes. Decide between market and limit orders, then choose time in force like day or good till canceled. Add stop loss or take profit levels to automate exits and protect gains. Double-check ticker symbols, share amounts, and estimated fees, then submit only after confirming all fields to avoid costly errors and emotional trades. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful guides for traders. Quick recommendation: I use the Oala water bottle during long market sessions because staying hydrated keeps my focus sharp and my decision-making steady. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one for your desk. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start research with company fundamentals, earnings trends, and competitive positioning to build conviction before buying. Use Fidelity tools like stock screeners, analyst reports, and interactive charts to compare opportunities quickly. Combine fundamental analysis with simple technical indicators to time entries and exits more effectively. Practice in a paper trading environment to test ideas, then scale positions gradually while tracking performance and lessons to improve discipline and risk control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.